How to lock edge panel position on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you use a Samsung Galaxy phone and you use the edge panel, now you want to lock the edge panel position. Maybe you don't want the edge panel to move around from left to right or from right to left, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to lock edge panel position, all you just need to is go ahead and open the settings app, your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate display, and then click on that. Once you select display, scroll down the display page, locate edge panel. You can see the edge panel here is turned on. So in your case, make sure edge panel is turned on. Otherwise, you'll not be able to lock the position. Click on edge panels. Then here you can see I have my edge panel turned on. Then the panel's configuration. You can come here, choose panel people smart. Just configure the edge panel's configuration based on your preference. So next, go ahead and click on undo. And once you selected undo, then here you can see I have this set to left. I can change this to right. So once you've set this to your preferred location on your Samsung phone, turn on lock handle position. You see that? Then once you lock handle position, then you can now exit this page. So when next you try to open your edge panel on your Samsung device, like this, then you can see your position will be locked. So you're not able to move the edge panel around. So that is basically how to lock edge panel undo on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.